Hello all. In this video, we will understand about the body section of HTML. In this video, we will understand about the body section of HTML. Let's understand it. So topic of today video is designing the body section. तो क्या है, देखिए क्या है. The body section contains the actual content of the web page. A web page designer must design the body section very carefully. The designer must concentrate on two aspects. They are first is what is to be presented in the web page. Second is how to present the matter in an attractive way. So what is the main work of body section in HTML? We are talking about designing the body section in HTML. The body section contains the actual content of the web page. A web page designer must design the body section very carefully. The designer must concentrate on two important aspects. They are what is to be presented in the web page and how to present the matter in an attractive way. Okay, so body basically gives the presentation. Presentation, distributing itself in the various links and web pages. Body is very important. Body is very important to understand the presentation of content on the HTML document. Okay, body tag is such an important tag. So how the body tag will work, let's understand. some tags help us the body to understand the documentation. Let's have a look which tags are those which helps the body to present it, to make the document more presentable. The first and foremost document is heading printing. Okay, how we are going to print an heading? In HTML, we can print headings using any one of the 6 tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H1 will be the longest and the H6 will be the shortest one. Let's assume we put this so we put as headings like this: Department of Computer Science H1, Department of Computer Science S2. The length of showing will be like this: department. The longest will be in H1. Some shorter version will be in H2. Lesser shorter version will be in like this will continue. So we understand that in the body we need presentation, and for the presentation we need some headings, and for heading we have our tags H, and having a H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and this H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 is defined in this way. The H1 will be the highest one and the H6 will be the lowest one. Let's again understand how we align those headings. We understand we can write heading in body tag, how we can align those headings. We can align our headings in the left, right, or center. So, if this is a page, so what is meaning of this? Let us assume there are four spaces. I mean, we need to write the left documentation. What will be the left documentation? This will be the left one. What will be the right? This will be the left one. This will be the right one, right position. Center. This will be the center position. What will be the justified? Justified will be according to the feature defined. So, heading can be aligned in the left, right, or center. And within HTML pages, we can do in the four different ways: left, right, center, and justified. First is left. We have a document in the left side of the web page. Second is right. We have document in the right side of the web page. Third is center. We have our document in the center side of web page. And fourth is justified. It is according to the definition of those softwares. So we understand how the headings are aligned. Let's move for the horizontal ruling. How this horizontal ruling is done within the body tag. What is HR tag will do? The HR tag will do, it will create a horizontal rule. And how it will create, let's have an example. If we put HR here, what will the output? Output will be Department of Computer Science with this HR rule. So, the rule of the HR rule is this. There are many attributes for the HR rule. Let's understand this. So, this is an example. If we put HR will put a horizontal rule in the next line of our document text. There are 4 attributes to the HR tag. All of which are optional. They are size with alignment source, size with alignment and source. How we are able to define? We understand in the previous, the text written out in our blackboard. When we use HR tag, we have our this underline. So, what will the size of this underline? What width it will carry? Either it will be a plain line, either it is this like this, some width, either width will be some broader. What will the alignment? If I consider this as a web page, what will the align of this page? Either it will follow a left alignment, either it will follow a right alignment, either it follow a center alignment, either it will be justified. Which alignment it will follow? Either left, either right, either center, either justified. Okay. And what is meaning of source? Sometimes we improvise our HR tag by linking some, linking some image, and after completion of the text, that image will follow on the next line. When you do this HR horizontal ruling, then image will follow. That part is known as the source part of HR tag. Okay. So let's understand some more text around body section. Let's understand about binding spaces. How HTML bind those spaces. How HTML binds spaces. We need to understand. We need to understand. In the web page, it is a collection of spaces. How this collection will be performed, let's understand. HTML automatically adjusts the intermediate spaces and align the text as per the given form. Okay. The property of HTML is it will automatically adjust those spaces in the available in the web page and align with the text document. Sometimes for such alignment, HTML itself inserts some spaces. Some spaces are called soft spaces. For aligning those things, HTML himself inserts some spaces. That spaces is known as the soft spaces. Soft spaces may go when realigning the text. और जब आप soft spaces को realign करते हैं तो टेक्स्ट जा भी सकता है, ठीक है. The text may move out. The spaces inserted by the user are called hard spaces. So the binding spaces have a two property. One property is called soft spaces, but it is automatically inserted by the HTML for adjusting and aligning the HTML document. And when the user inputs some spaces, it is known as the hard spaces. So when thing is done automatically, and when the thing is done by the user, so by the user it is known as the hard spaces. In a certain cases, some phrases may have to be printed without breaking a line. So like phrase like Mother India. If we show Mother India, like if we understand this is two lines, Mother here and India here, then it will not make sense actually. To make this thing count as a one, we have our binding spaces concept, and that binding spaces concept will work like this. And it is known as the non-breaking spaces or binding spaces, and that is known as Mother ampersand NBSP India, non-breaking space. So whenever this Mother India will come, whenever we will have the final output as this Mother India. So this is all about the binding spaces mechanism in HTML. By default, automatically HTML gives us soft spaces, and when the user enters it gives us the hard spaces. For some of the words like Mother India, if it is aligned like this, it will not give a sense actually. For to making the sense, we have our one more concept that is known as the non-breaking spaces or binding spaces, and that is mother ampersand NBSP. This is the code ampersand NBSP India. Then Mother India, wherever it appear in a web page, it will appear as one, and the final output will be like a Mother India. This is the our concept of the binding spaces. Let's move ahead for the next step. Our next tag is the paragraph tag. So we know that whenever we give the break tag, Whenever we give the break tag, the subsequent text appears in a new line. Okay. Also, if you want to align paragraph, we want mark the beginning and end of a paragraph by paragraph tag respectively. It is possible to align a paragraph left, right and center or justify when a paragraph ends, a black line is left. This is the property of the paragraph within a HTML document. Okay, when we introduce our documentation, these few things are needed. This is heading, there's an H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, binding of the elements, how the binding of the spaces is done, how the paragraph is properties is taken care within the HTML documentation. In general, these are the basic tags, and many more tags are there. 1,000 tags are there, but these tags will give you the idea how the document will take the text within their spaces. Okay, I hope you understand this 2-3 tags what we have discussed, and we will have our session. This is an introductory session on the Blackboard I came across. In the PPT we will explain it more further. Okay, thank you for your patience. Take care.